Nevaeh,
and it's your girl
and we are back with another video. So today, as you can tell by that title and that thumbnail, we about to do this hot Cheeto.
Are you gonna stop playing?
Yeah, we about to do this hot Cheeto fried
Pickles
thing. Yeah, hot Cheeto fried pickles. So we gonna basically let y'all see how we making this, and we got our air fryer on the side. You can't see it, but we gonna. So we already got everything set out. So,
hot Cheetos, y'all can see the hot Cheetos. We got the eggs, we got the flour,
and we got paprika. We got these pickles right here.
The flat ones,
Yeah, the flat ones. Now you don't want the thick ones. I mean, you can use thick ones, whatever.
Too much pickle.
And we got Cajun seasoning and seasonal. And we're not measuring. So yeah, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that bell so you'll be notified when we post videos. Cause that's just on period. Let's get it. Let's go.
Hey.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna put some paprika. The flour.
We need some spice to it, cause when we put it in the air fryer,
cause what we did in the last video, y'all, we didn't season our flour. I don't know if we were supposed to.
We were supposed to, but we didn't think about
it. So yeah, we correcting ourselves this time. Don't play with us. Right?
You season that good.
What you mean? Mix it up. I can't even see. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more.
No, a little more everything, cause I hope it's good.
Everything, y'all. I'm gonna go backwards. I'll do this when I'm cooking chicken.
Go back.
I'll go backwards so I'll season it. Don't laugh. Alright. So we got that, y'all. And then we had put milk, a little bit of milk in our eggs, cause that's what she did. So
that's what we're gonna do.
Whatever she do. She said it was good. So we're gonna take a pickle. Don't play. So we're gonna take it. You wanna do yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna do you.
And then we're gonna put it in the flour. So yeah, this messy, so like my flour. And I'm gonna get the egg and the egg.
I think you're gonna
do this.
Yeah, we got some ranch. But we got American Yellow Ranch because we ran a ranch.
And we forgot to get the ranch, y'all. We always forgetting
So
something.
ghetto.
Ooh, good job. Thick. And back of the egg.
If you put it back in the egg, that means you're gonna coat it again.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do it. No, but look at it, y'all.
Look at that.
The egg, though. That's what I'm saying.
What's that hamburger meat?
Hamburger meat.
Yeah, the hamburger meat. Knife to cut it and taste it.
We gotta put it in the air fryer first.
Oh
Yeah, cause we got eggs and flour on it. That's
yeah.
Oh, you gotta cook it. I want to try one.
You do?
Try it?
Sound good.
Okay. Alright, y'all. We about to put the thingies in here. This how they look when we. So, about to put them in. Slip. able to see this. We're gonna put it on 5 minutes. So we put the things in the air fryer on 390 for 9 minutes, and we're gonna flip them halfway through. So like, yeah, and I guess we'll get back with y'all when it's done. Okay?
Excuse me. Don't say nothing, mama.
I ain't saying that.
I know, but still, you don't say nothing. Just don't say nothing. Don't make no face, okay? Don't make no face.
Ooh, girl, I got it. She don't like it.
She don't.
She don't like it.
You have to tell me don't make no face. You never tell me that you don't like it.
All right, y'all. So we're back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What y'all waiting on?
We gotta do a thumbnail. Gotta do a thumbnail.
Gotta do
A
Thumbnail.
a thumbnail. What's that?
A picture for the video.
Don't matter.
No.
No. You gotta wait till you eat it. Cause we trying to eat it because we don't want. If it's nasty, then just tell us. If it's good, don't tell us.
If it's good, tell you.
No.
It's good.
Mama.
Come on. Okay, it's good. We gotta taste for ourselves. Come on. Ready? All right. Which one? Oh, the ranch right there. It's hot. It's hot.
You like it? No, matter.
It's hot. Uh-oh.
It's good.
You eat your fat one first?
If it's good, I'm gonna say that for last. Which one yours? Which one was yours?
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Come on, make it.
Smelling and tasting.
I know.
It smells good though.
Ready?
Mm.
It's good. Okay, so making this more often.
Grandma.
I'm good. You already made before?
Yeah.
Alright, put my pig on. Put some more.
Some more.
Yeah.
Mama, I ain't got time for that.
Oh, you don't say, I don't say apple no more.
Huh?
Don't let me say, don't ask me, don't say apple no more then. You don't want to pig, you don't say apple.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's real like good.
I want to hear that crunch.
Right.
What y'all with the ranch?
That ain't fair. Y'all had two and I only had one.
Could you, Mama?
You only asked for one.
That's all y'all gave me.
But you have with the ranch? Oh.
All right, y'all. It was
Success.
yeah. Better than the
I'm tasting that one. That look kind of good. That's the real fat one.
this one tastes better than the mozzarella sticks. Better, way better. No,
Way better.
way better. Like we got flavor because we seasoned the doggone flour.
This probably would have been better.
But let us know if y'all try this down in the comments for real, because this y'all is a buzz. It's a buzz. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that bell. Make sure you comment. So you watch it. Make sure you watch this video. Oh, we're not playing. Anyway, follow me on Instagram at Nevaeh_.
Oh, and Pretty God.Maker.
And follow us on TikTok at
Nevaeh.Jamaica.
Jamaica_. Everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And me and this little boy channel right here. And yeah, that's it pretty much, right?
This y'all good, this y'all good.
Yeah, them mozzarella sticks was kind of don't taste nothing like this. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We out. We out. We out.